Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to turn a day photo into a night scene in Photoshop. Start with a anytime photo, then lower the experience using curves, shift color tones toward blue using our color balance, then replace the bright sky with a dark starry night background. Add faint closed windows and street lights, then create a new layer, paint soft yellow dots for lights and blur slightly. Duplicate blur background areas for atmosphere haze. Use gradient map for color harmony. Finish by adding a cool vignette and sharpen the subject. The transformation feels magical, like your photo entered another world.